A bypass switch in a servo stabilizer is a crucial component that allows the user to bypass the stabilizer and connect the load directly to the main power supply. This can be particularly useful in the following scenarios. 1. Maintenance and repairs. When the stabilizer needs maintenance or repairs, the bypass switch can be used to ensure that the load continues to receive power without interruption. 2. Emergency situations. In case of a stabilizer failure or malfunction, the bypass switch can be activated to maintain a continuous power supply to the load. 3. Testing and troubleshooting. The bypass switch allows for easy testing and troubleshooting of the stabilizer without affecting the connected load. By using the bypass switch, you can ensure that your equipment remains operational even when the stabilizer is not functioning correctly. The decision to have a bypass arrangement inside the stabilizer or in the electrical panel depends on several factors, including the specific requirements of your system, ease of maintenance, and operational flexibility. Bypass arrangement inside the stabilizer. 1. Convenience. Having the bypass arrangement inside the stabilizer can be more convenient as it is integrated into a single unit. 2. Space saving. It saves space as there is no need for additional external components. 3. Ease of use. It can be easier to operate and manage since everything is contained within the stabilizer. Bypass arrangement in the electrical panel. 1. Flexibility. Placing the bypass arrangement in the electrical panel can offer more flexibility in terms of system design and future upgrades. 2. Maintenance. It can be easier to perform maintenance on the stabilizer without affecting the bypass arrangement. 3. Customization. Allows for more customization and integration with other electrical components and systems. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize convenience and space saving, an internal bypass arrangement might be the way to go. If you need more flexibility and ease of maintenance, an external bypass arrangement in the electrical panel could be a better option. Pros of having a bypass inside the stabilizer. 1. Convenience. Integrated into a single unit, making it easier to operate and manage. 2. Space saving. No need for additional external components, saving valuable space. 3. Ease of use. Simplifies the process of switching to bypass mode during maintenance or emergencies. 4. Reduced installation complexity. Fewer connections and components to install, leading to a more straightforward setup. Cons of having a bypass inside the stabilizer. 1. Limited flexibility. Less flexibility in terms of system design and future upgrades compared to an external bypass arrangement. 2. Maintenance challenges. If the stabilizer needs extensive repairs, the integrated bypass might complicate the process. 3. Potential overheating. The internal arrangement might lead to overheating if not adequately ventilated. 4. Customization constraints. Fewer options for customization and integration with other electrical components and systems. In summary, an internal bypass offers convenience and space-saving benefits but may lack the flexibility and ease of maintenance that an external bypass arrangement provides. The choice ultimately depends on your specific requirements and preferences.